Welcome to SeaArt I Pick Challenge. Today we are going to test run 2 AI models right there on SeaArt. Don't forget that SeaArt is a home of AI tools where you will see any kind of AI tool that you are looking for is right there on SeaArt website. So we are going to pick SeaArt Suno W3 model, and we're also going to test StarDream 2.0 mini. So we are going to use the same AI prompts, the same settings, and also text to video generation. So work with me, let's pick it together, and then at the end we'll compare the two together and see which one comes out best. So right here now, here is our prompt. So we are going to copy this prompt here. So the first model we are going to be testing is SeaArt Suno W3 model. So here we remember we're using the same aspect ratio, the same duration, the same resolution. Okay, so and we are going to use text to video. Okay, we are not using any image, so we're going to use text to video. Here, over here, you drop in your prompt here. You can see I'll drop our prompt. So let's generate this one. So as this one is generating, let's as well send for the our second model. Then at the end, we will not review both of them, see the one that comes out perfectly well compared to the other. So the second pick we are picking is StarDream 2.0. Remember, same resolution, same aspect ratio, same duration. All our durations are 14 seconds each. So we are still going to use text to video here. We're still going to use this text to video. We are dropping our prompt, the same prompt, nothing changed. All right, so we drop it there, and also we hit generate. Now you can see both of them are generating. The SeaArt Suno W3 model is generating. So is StarDream 2.0 mini model is also generating. This is SeaArt Suno W3. Let's see how many seconds it can actually generate for us. Apart from that 14 seconds, you can see, wow, you can see it can generate up to 30 seconds. SeaArt Suno W3 can generate content up to 30 seconds at once. Do you see that? At once. Now let's look at the other one, our second pick, which is a StarDream 2.0. How many seconds can StarDream give us? StarDream can only give us up to 15 seconds per generation. So at the end of their creation, we'll come back to pick the one that we love most. So our second model is ready, which is StarDream 2.0 mini. Look at the way it generated it. You can see it here. Let's download it first.
What is this?
Fork, knife, plate, pot, pan, whisk, spatula, grater. I know my kitchen utensils.
Now you can see the quality of SeaArt Suno W3. This one is ready, so let's download it.
What is this?
Fork.
What is this?
Knife, plate.
What is this?
Pot.
Pan.
Whisk.
What is this?
Spatula.
Grater.
I know my kitchen utensils.
As you can see, this particular one here is from StarDream 2.0. I love the cartoon. I love the way they generated the 3D animation. And also, it started well by the lady asking the girl, what is this? When the girl starts saying them what exactly that kitchen utensil is, which is what was put inside my AI prompt that I gave to them. You will agree with me that this one was very okay. While let's also check the second one, which is SeaArt Suno W3. So now right here now, this one is SeaArt Suno W3 model. You can see the quality of the illumination. The quality is actually good. I love the quality. But what I don't like in the text to video that came out is that her shoe was on the table. It wasn't supposed to be there, but the quality is good. And also what I don't like here, if you will agree with me, you can see that the lady started by asking what is this, but along the line the prompt, the generation did not actually go well. So I think I picked the first one, which is the StarDream 2.0 mini. Will agree with me that one is better. So for me, I pick StarDream 2.0 mini because the because it tried to give me what my prompt actually requested. Another thing in this Suno W3 is that it can also generate up to 30 seconds. So if you're looking for an AI tool that will give you less stress and give you a longer generation, so I recommend SeaArt Suno W3 because it has up to 30-second video generation. All right, so how do you see on our today's challenge? For me, I pick StarDream 2.0 meaning, okay, because it gives me what I actually requested. So let me know in the comment section which of them did you prefer most. See you again. Bye for now.